Are you an EverBank customer who finds yourself stuck in a loop of menus, desperately trying to talk to an actual human? You're not alone. When you need quick answers about your accounts, investments, or maybe a card issue, the fastest way to get help matters. I'm here to cut through the confusion and give you the quickest, most direct paths to EverBank customer service. First up, the phone. This is often the fastest way for personal banking clients to get live help. The primary client solutions team number is 1-888-882-3837. Now, the key to speed here is knowing the hours. They're available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Time, and on Saturdays from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Calling outside peak hours, think midweek mornings or right when they open, can drastically cut your wait time. But what if you have a very specific issue? Don't waste time with the general line. If your debit card is lost or stolen, use that same primary number, 1-888-882-3837. The good news is this service is usually available 24/7. For credit cards, the number varies based on when you opened the card, so check the back of your card or the Contact Us page on their website for the most accurate line, but the two main numbers are typically 1-800-558-3424 for cards opened recently, and 1-800-738-2615 for older accounts. Again, these lines often offer 24/7 support for lost/stolen reports. Now, if you're a business client, you have a dedicated number, 1-866-371-3831. This team is typically available Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. A crucial point for speed: before you call, have your account numbers, your social security number, and date of birth ready. This information will be requested for verification right away, and having it handy prevents fumbling that adds minutes to your call. Beyond the phone, what about digital options? For routine, non-urgent account questions, the most secure and convenient method is often through your EverBank online banking platform. Once logged in, you can typically use their secure messaging system to send a message directly to a representative. While not instant, this is a great way to handle documentation or complex queries without sitting on hold. And finally, don't overlook their extensive website. Before picking up the phone, check the Client Support and Help or Contact Us section on EverBank's website. They have dedicated phone numbers for mortgages, wealth management, and commercial banking. Using the direct line for your specific department is the ultimate time saver. In short, for speed, use the primary phone number, call during off-peak hours, and have your details ready. For security and complex documentation, use the secure message portal and online banking. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.